how he carried this fight. Oh!
Kumusta mga kabady? Sa katatapos lang ng laban ng ating kababayan na si Carl James Martin na isa sa mga boxing prospect ng Pilipinas na tinututukan ngayon ng MP Promotion, na kung saan itong si Carl James Martin ay malaki ang potensyal na maging world champion, at sa laban niyang ito makakaharap niya ang pang-apat na pinakamagaling sa super bantamweight sa bansang Thailand. Ito ay si Chaiwat Buatkratok na may ring record na 40 na panalo, 8 ang talo, 26 natapos sa knockout. At matatandaan po natin nakasagawa pa na ito dati ng isa pa nating kababayan na si Milan Elmito Di Comiliendo. Samantalang may malinis na record itong ating pambatang si Carl James Martin na 22 na panalo, wala pang talo, 17 natapos sa knockout. At paglabanan nila ang bakanting WBO Global Super Bantamweight title na dating hawak ng nag-iisang angas ng Pinas, Cuadrolas General Casimero. At sa laban ni Wonderboy kontra dito sa Thai boxer, tila naghalimaw itong si Martin. Ang pataobin nito ang veteranong Thai fighter na si Buatkratok. Kaya narito ang highlights ng kanilang laban. Panoorin po natin mga kabady kung paano pinakitaan ng bagsik ng kanyang kamao itong Thai fighter na si Buatkratok. Pero kung ngayon ka pala napadpad sa channel na to, paki-like at subscribe naman, paki-hit na rin ang notification bell. Maraming salamat po mga kabady.
Carl James Martin entered the ring with his entourage, composed of elders, our elders and Ifugao, counselors. Wag po nating i-mock yung mga maunang mag-mock dyan. That is a very sacred, pag tumunod na hanggang sa sacred missions, ano?
Pero kung makikita mo partner, parang yung si Buatkratok is the bigger fighter.
He's the taller fighter.
Saka heftier, makikita mo yung mga shoulder niya. Alam mo ba, ano na natin din sa laban ni napansin natin yung although malaki siya, yung reach yata medyo may disadvantage din siya.
Yes, definitely. And you are right, sabi ng mga yes, may lakas friendship kung hindi ka rated and kung wala ka rin lakas like Carl. Of course, Carl James Martin enters the ring with a perfect record. Everyone is waiting for Carl's next few steps after this fight. Yes, it's good to clarify that.
Yes, so neither the two of this fighter ang champion, bakante ang titulo.
Yes, for sure. But Kratok missed with that hook straight. Martin gets out of the way quickly. It's important, partner. This is a 12-round bout. It's important. Patience. Pacing is important.
Buatkratok, pagka sinasabi sa Pilipino, tinatansya-tansya niya kung ano yung possible na weapon na gagamitin niya against this bulldozer from Thailand.
And also, yun nga, may nag-comment Thailander versus Highlander. Both are known for their warrior mentality. So,
Round 2 of this bout between Chaiwat Buatkratok. Kasi si Carl, like I always say, pag kino-cover natin siya, Carl James Martin could be
constantly evolving. There you have it, a double jab and then body shot from Carl.
siguro yung fruit of labor ni Carl James Martin. At ngayon unti-unti niya nang nakukuha. He signed for PGB promotion and Premier Boxing Championship. So, tatlong malalaking haligi ng boxing ang magsosuporta kay Carl James Martin. He's trying to gauge kung saan ganun si Carl James Martin because he is thinking how to beat you of Butatok is very deadly, partner. Nakita natin yung how solid that right of Butatok. Pero Martin countered with a lot of combination on that instances. Alam naman natin that Carl James Martin, hindi mo matatawaran yung hard work nito eh. Because even though he's not, mayroon lang siyang schedule na fight, he constantly training. So, yun din ang ginawa ni Senator dati, di ba? Number 3, sabi mo nga partner, this is a scheduled 12-round fight. So, I think stamina will be collide between a Thailander and a Filipino.
Don't manage your stamina well, mauubusan ka talaga. So it really is, it takes a lot of yourself in a 12-round bout.
At saka itong si Chaiwat Butatok, marami nang nakalaban na magagaling din na fighter. And I think he has a lot of fight. Ayugat din to for Carl James Martin.
For sure, for sure. And like you said, whenever you're fighting for a belt, it's always the best, for the best. Because we can't think about the fights who approve the fights.
And this global title by the WBO. Yun yung ginawa ni Carl James Martin. Step by step, ladder by ladder. Ang ginawa niya to attain this status of him right now. That led to the body. Connected. So bulldoze him. Yan ang game plan ngayon ni Chatway Butatok. And nice uppercut by Carl James Martin. Oh!
Partner, both of them are southpaws.
Yes.
There has to be some adjustment from both of them. It's quite rare for a southpaw to
Partner, kung saan nagsasabi, hindi full house ang crowd. Siguro, wala nang full house pa dito. Meron na to. Oh, yeah. Try to test the body of Butatok also.
And your commentator right now, Rica Aquino, Alvin Escofio, fight.
Salamat po, salamat.
Take a look at his previous fights. This guy is number 4, rank 4 in Thailand.
Medyo yung hangin medyo buka na yung ni Butatok. Hindi natin alam. 33 seconds of round number 4. Yan alam buwan na lalapit sa round na pinato natatanggap ni Carl James Martin.
Martin sharp with it, combination punching and all moves always with it. Uses that jab to land that power punch.
Now Carl James Martin is testing the body of Butatok. And yes! An uppercut. Oh, that body really hurts Butatok. Oh, that left upper! Wow! I think Martin is smelling blood right now. Wow! Medyo sa katawan talaga. Ininda talaga yung Butatok yung mga body combination ni Carl James Martin. Oh! Nice left by Martin! Oh!
Martin was able to roll that counter punch. Oh, another hook after hook
He's sensing something.
Round 5 pa lang, groggy na itong si Buat Kratok na tamaan ng mga malalakas na kombinasyon ni Martin. Pero sa tibay ng Thai boxer, nakasurvive ito at umabot pa hanggang round 6. At dito sa round 6, tinamaan ng malakas na suntok sa tagiliran itong Thai fighter. Bagsak ito at nabilangan ng referee. Nakatayo pa ito pero na makita ng referee na medyo ininda ang suntok ni Wonderboy. Tinigil na ang laban. Sa ngayon, si Carl James Martin na ang bagong WBO Global Super Bantamweight Champion. Ano po ang opinion tungkol dito? Pa-comment na lang po sa baba. Hanggang dito na lang po tayo mga kabady. Maraming salamat po.